Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Ruth, love that goes beyond obligation. So, Ruth was a young woman from Moab who married into an Israelite family. But tragedy struck when Naomi, her mother-in-law, lost her husband and both of her sons, including Ruth's husband. Naomi decided to return to Israel and told her daughters-in-law that they were free to stay in their homeland and rebuild their lives. One daughter-in-law, Orphan, sadly said goodbye and returned home, but Ruth chose a different path. She stayed with Naomi and made a beautiful promise, "Where you go, I will go, and where you lodge, I will lodge. Your people shall be my people, and your God my God." But Ruth was not required to do this by law and culture. She was free to live, yet Ruth chose loyal love. She left her country, her family, and her future security to care for Naomi and follow Naomi's God. The Bible often calls this kind of faithful love covenant love, a love that stays committed even when it's difficult. Ruth's story also shows God's sovereign grace. Ruth was a foreigner, yet God brought her into his people and later into the family line of King David and the Messiah. God was quietly working through Ruth's loyalty to accomplish his greater plan of redemption. Ruth's decision teaches us that true love does more than meet the minimum requirement. Real faithfulness chooses sacrifice, commitment, and devotion because it reflects the faithful love of God Himself. So, ayun po sa Ruth chapter 1 verse 14 to 18. So, 14 lang po babasahin ko. And this they went aloud again. Then Orphan kissed her mother-in-law goodbye, but Ruth clung to her. So, ayun po sa ating katuruan. Sometimes God works silently behind the scenes. So, minsan, hindi natin alam. Pero, kumikilos ang Diyos ng tahimik lamang. Kahit parang walang nangyayari o walang sagot sa prayers natin, may ginagawa pa rin siya na hindi natin nakikita. Sometimes God works through unexpected people. So, minsan gumagamit si Lord ng mga tao na hindi natin inaasahan, maaring stranger, kaibigan, o kahit taong hindi natin masyadong gusto para tulungan, turuan o gabayan tayo. So, grabe talaga kumilos si Lord sa buhay natin. And sometimes God works in mysterious ways. So, hindi palagi intindihan ng tao ang paraan ng Diyos. May mga pangyayari na confusing o mahirap tanggapin, pero may mas malalim na dahilan at purpose siya. And sa applications naman, believe that God's silence does not mean His absence, and do not think too highly of yourself, too little of yourself, and trust that God has planned even when you do not know it. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.